Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My hair is a mess right now, but it's fine because we're going to put a wig on later. And today's video I am super excited for because I have been watching this new show on Netflix. I'm a little bit late to the game because it was out on like September 10th, and that's Julie and the Phantoms. And I am obsessed with it. I thought I would do a look inspired by the look Savannah, who plays Carrie's look from Dirty Candy, so the pink hair and everything, and the makeup looked super cute and very much my aesthetic in like, I love pink eyeshadow. If you haven't watched Julie and the Phantoms yet, just like stop this video and go watch it because I'm 23 and I loved it, like loved it so much I haven't stopped talking about it, and my sister is very much ready to like throw me out of the window. We're gonna go. Yeah, okay. So, I've just applied some brown contacts because Savannah's eyes look brown in the pictures I was using. The reference picture I'm going off is this one. It's from the scene when Owen, who plays Alex, joins in the dance, and honestly that was hilarious. So yeah, it's the look from the scene when she's doing that. I'm pretty sure she wears the same pink makeup for all of the scenes, to be fair. So Savannah's skin is basically perfect, literally. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer. This is the Universal Sheer one. And we're going to put this on the face. So we're just going to apply this to the cheeks, like here. And I'm like sort of pushing but like swiping at the same time. Like I'm bouncing it in my finger. So this always tends to get under them. So I watched this series thinking it was literally a kid's show because I think it is aimed at children. Is it? I want to say so, but I noticed Kenny Ortega directed it, and he directs a lot of Disney stuff that I watch, like Descendants, High School Musical. So I thought, you know what, I liked Descendants, I liked High School Musical. Let's watch Julie and the Phantoms. So it's Saturday the 17th of October. I watched this on Monday. Maybe I watched it Sunday. I watched it Sunday or Monday. I was at work Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. And then I watched it again Friday. So I watched it again yesterday. I still have another Halloween video out to come out, but I didn't post it last week because I was too busy watching Julie and the Phantoms. So yeah, let's continue with the next part because I'm super excited for this. Well, I was going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, but she does look fairly tan, so I'm going to use my natural colour rather than my winter colour. I'm going to use my summer colour rather than my winter colour, so we're not going to use that one. We're going to use the Revolution one. I wanted to keep it fairly cheap and easy budget for you guys because I know a lot of you who watch Julie and Phantoms will be younger, although I am yet to see someone under the age of 16 on my TikTok For You page that has watched it. Everyone seems to be older. We're going to do a similar process to what we did for the Fallen Angel and the Vampire look, which was this, and then the Charlotte Tilbury Brightening Youth Glow. I'm just going to put both of these on my face. I've just realised I've been looking in the monitor the whole time. So I'm going to put these on my... Ooh. And just look at like how smooth that is because of the primer. I never really show that. I know I found something that I really like again, like I did with the Descendants, and I'm living for it. I'm going to apply the Charlotte Tilbury to the back of my hand. Ooh. That's so cute. Let's take a little ghost. Jokes, that wasn't funny. And oh, I might have a bit too much. It's fine. I'm gonna blend it with the Beauty Blender. I don't know if any of you guys watch Julie and the Phantoms. I presume you are if you're watching this video. I presume you've seen it. What's your favourite line from the show? I'm gonna be like, comment down below all this stuff. My favourite one is when Reggie goes on stage and he like does this little shimmy thing, and then he's like, I don't think they can see us, and Alex goes, I wish I didn't see you. That was a good moment. I had hot dogs the other day before watching that, so that's kind of creepy. So now I'm actually matching my neck. I'm just gonna attempt to cover that spot that's right there and it's really bugging me. I'm just gonna boop a little dark foundation there. I'm just gonna let it sit just for a little bit. I'm gonna use this Benefit Boing concealer because it's pink. It's not my concealer brush, and I'm just gonna get a little bit on the brush. Put those under eye bags because we don't need them. We don't want them. Okay, so because she is on stage and she's performing, we don't want the makeup to move around and slide away. So we're going to use a setting powder. This one's from Mercier, but you can use any one you want to use. And then we're just going to apply that under the eyes.
When I grow up, I want to be me.
Do that all the time. On top, I'm going to use the middle shade here in the, I forgot what it is, Revolution Contour Palette. And I'm taking, oh, my hair gets everywhere. This palette, and I'm just going to dust it under the jawline. A little bit, it seems, on the temples, like here. I brush my nose slightly wider. I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Pink Blush. This is the Honolulu Hideaway one that I've been using for ages. So this looks like a lot, but she has a lot of blush. I'm so sad she doesn't have blush on her nose. She would look so adorable with blush on her nose. She doesn't have any noticeable major highlight, but I love highlights, so here. Really gentle with this. Okay, so I went ahead and did this eye off camera, and I'm going to show you how I did this eye on this eye. In the Roxy, it's right in front of me, right looking, Colourburst palette, this one. Ooh. And we're going to take the shade Fetch, which is this bright pink shade here, and oh, I just got that all over my hand. Nice. And I'm just going to fluff that into the outer corner and the crease, and that's the only colour I'm going to use there. Keep it fairly low, like this is the highest I want to go with this colour, and bring it right in. Now that we have the basis for the pink put down, we're gonna sort of cut the crease. It may seem a little scary, but it's not. I've done it a million times in my videos, and I am the clumsiest, stupidest person in the world, and I can do it. I'm just gonna use the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas, and I'm literally taking nearly all the product off because you don't need much, and then just putting it on the very, very tip. I'm just going to cut the inner corner and then like fan it out, but it doesn't matter if it's too messy on the edges fanned out because we're going to go over it. I'm going to use my finger to sort of blend it out a bit. I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to take the shade Timmy from the same palette, and I'm just going to load it up, and then we're going to pack that all over the lid. This might take a few layers to get it how you want it, which is to be as opaque white as possible. Into the inner corner as well, kind of like that. And sort of line the waterline. You can use a white liner for this, but I don't have one. The pink again, but a teeny bit, and just under the lower lash line. We're not gonna smoke it out too much because hers is, it's not subtle, it's there, but it's not like dragged halfway down her face. Crease and bring it in more to the centre. Then I'm going to take the white again. Oh, this is so simple. As long as you have a hot pink and a white eyeshadow at home, you're good to go with this look. I'm going to highlight the brow bone and really bring that into the inner corner, which is why we went all the way with the pink. Just to lighten. I mean, I don't know if this is exact. I didn't work on the show. The NYX Love You So Mochi eyeshadows, and I took this shade here, which is like a white with like a blue iridescent-y tone to it. As like a shimmer. And I just applied this to the brow bone. So for lashes, she doesn't seem to have liner on. She just seems to have lashes. So I'm going to use these Kiss So Wispy lashes. These are the shade number far. And now we're going to apply the lash glue to the lash band. No, we're going to apply the lash glue to the lash. A thin but substantial layer. Favourite song from the soundtrack. Like, should we shuffle and see what song we get? I mean, it might make the video completely trash, but no, we want a J. There we go. What is lost can be found, it's obvious. This is going to be the worst lash. So we're going to do her brows. Soph has quite light brows. So we're going to use the number 3 that I used when I had blonde hair. And just fill in any sparse areas. Hers are quite arched, which might kind of look quite arched right now. I'm going to spray our face with the Dewy Rose Dewy Glow from the Body Shop. We'll let that soak in. Okay, so I'm going to insert a clip here of me not crying Someone Said Emily, which is a miracle. I could just do that. I was literally in the zone putting the wig on though, so does that even count? Does that count as a success? I don't think so. Right, so first off, I'm going to point out this is white because it was easier to find a pink tank top for underneath than it was to find a pink one of these that was inexpensive enough for me to purchase now. So I have 2 different coloured pink lipsticks. Oh, look at what it paused on. No. Don't look. I'm tearing up. This is get a grip. You are 23, girl. Get a grip. So I think I'm gonna go with the hot pink one because her lips look pretty hot pink in this. Quite a small lip shade to her. I kind of love it. Okay, yeah, I like this. I'm not cutting the wig, so we'll just flick the shortest parts forward. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this gave you some inspiration. If you want to see me do the other girls from Dirty Candy, I could definitely try. I definitely might make this a series because I'm obsessed. But yeah, what is that? Yeah, so if you guys liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below and follow my TikTok where I will be posting the videos of me as Carrie. I only have like 2 sounds though. I love you guys, bye! Maybe time would not erase me. That is the first time I didn't cry while listening to that song, putting this wig on. Maybe it's because I was concentrating.